Remember, we have to be quiet inside the house. This Croc is a light sleeper. Man, you ain't gotta worry about me. This place is nice. What the hell are you doing?
Checking for electric eyes.
What's for electric eyes?
You know that they're invisible.
Trust me. I've lived here my entire life.
So this is where the old bitch sleeps, huh?
Shh. Okay. Give me the weenie. Okay, Muffin. Got a special treat for you. Cripes.
What kind of aim was that?
Muffin. Bite my weenie. Now the hell with this. Plan B.
Will you shut that dog up?
Just put him in the box! Who's smarter, huh? Yeah, who's smarter?
What should it say?
We've got him. Pay us $1 million or he's a dead dog! How's that sound?
Fine.
Get the hell out of here.
This is the happiest day of my life.
Yeah, with that money, we can do anything.
Well, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy me a 4-star chicken hole. Yeah, I get a better neighborhood and a listing in the Zagat guy.
Well, I'm gonna go someplace warm where you don't need layered clothing. Start over. Yeah, I got some good years left in me. I can better myself. I'm gonna register in one of them 4-year universities.
My friend, here's the second chance.